Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Snapjelly's toy review. Yay! I present to you an egg. I don't know if you've ever watched any toy review channels, but I know I have. And if you have, then you know they have a weird obsession with eggs. Because this is a toy review channel now, this is an egg. It's a very big egg. It doesn't fit under my chin. Now, there was actually quite a hassle about me actually getting this box, the egg, or not, because I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, if you've seen my Instagram stories where I've ranted about this quite a lot, but I ordered this egg quite some months ago, and it was supposed to be done in January. And I don't know if you have a calendar or not, but it's no longer January, right? There was a slight delay in me getting this box egg. So the thing is, I actually have to go to a sword fighting camp this evening in a few hours, and this box egg arrived today, and I got the swords. I spoiled it. There are swords in there. Dang it! It's such a surprise, isn't it? Anyway. I ordered whatever's in the mystery egg to go to that camp. So, because they were gonna be done in January originally, I was gonna be like, there's plenty of time. But there was a delay, and I was like, am I gonna get them before? So, I emailed them. I was like, I was kind of hoping I could get them before the 15th of February, if possible. And well, it arrived today. So, that's great. I can unbox them, and then I can, unegg them. And then pack my stuff and leave. Use it for the first time. So, let's hope it's all in order. Without further ado, let's grab a very safe thing. Let's open the egg. I don't get why I'm so bad at this. I opened the right side. Wait, it should be folded over, right? Somewhere. That's far enough. I'm not the next King Arthur, guys. Oh shit, they actually tape the swords together. So I have to pull them out all at once. I can't dramatically reveal them one by one. Spoiler alert, it's more than one. stuck. I really have to open the entire fucking thing. Oops. There we go. How much fucking tape do you need on every fucking sword? There we go. That's one loose. Please don't make me slide this off. No. Please just. There we go. Thank God. Alright, now as to why. Why I got new toys? Well, simply. I got a longsword. Pretty much because I will pretty much always use my fader for longsword fencing, and I have thought about getting a different longsword. At different events I use different longswords, and none of them I quite liked. And then I wanted a sword that was a bit shorter, which I did get. Maybe you've seen it before. Oopsie daisy, it's over here. It's this one. As you can see, it's a bit shorter, right? There's a bit of length difference there, and I very much like this sword, but the quality is not all that great, and it was also a bit cheaper. So I was just like, you know what? Might as well just go all out and get myself a proper longsword. Finally, it's about time. Let's get rid of this fucking plastic. How much goddamn plastic do you need? How much fucking plastic does one need? Actual question. People, if you ever buy a sword or anything in life, do you ever think, gosh, I wish there was more plastic around this? At least now the turtles have something to fucking suffocate on. Right? Wouldn't want to make them feel left out. There we go. So I got a new toy. It's just it's a very standard longsword. It doesn't have a roll tip, but it's still rounded, right? So it's pretty safe. It's pretty flexible, still. So it's spar safe as well, and I can use this for reenactment and events and stuff like that. Which, you know, just looks a bit better than using a fader. So I think I'm gonna be very happy with that. I also sort of custom ordered this pommel. It's like a pommel that you see on one of their rapiers, and I just think it looks beautiful. So there you go. That's one. For fuck's sake. I feel like this is gonna take a while. Next one is I got a new rapier. Because I have a rapier right here. But would you just fucking... There we go. I have a rapier, but it's seen better days. It's kind of broken. So yeah, I'm not gonna use this much anymore. I'll fix it later. I wanted a new rapier, and this one has a roll tip as well, so it's safer, and that one doesn't. So yeah. Oops. I used a Hanwei Practical way before, Hanwei Practical rapier, but the blade bent fairly quickly, and then I exchanged that for a different one, which I didn't like very much, and that one I exchanged for this one, which I messed up during a show, and now I got like a proper rapier, which I'm gonna use for nothing but rapier fencing, and ooh, it's very flexible, it's very light. There's a nice bend in it. I like this. This is good. It's longer than I thought it would be. As well. Well, I guess is it longer than this one, or am I just imagining things? It is. It's quite a bit longer, actually. Look at that. There's quite a bit of extra reach there. Can you see? I didn't know it was that long. Well, I'm gonna have to get myself a new bag because I don't think this will fit in my the bag that I use to carry my stuff now. Gosh. Right? Very dope. Very happy with that. And the last one This is a side sword. Now, I've always wanted a side sword, but I've never found any particular designs that I was fond of. And this is just a very crude kind of side sword that is just strong and made for practice. So I figured, you know what? I'm gonna use that. And I did, and I am. And here it is. So I don't have much to say about this or much to compare to because I've never owned a side sword before. So I'm actually quite excited about this. And I can talk a lot more about side swords if I get some practice in with this weapon. Because I do really love side swords, even though I don't talk about them a lot. And well, here it is. Same, it's not particularly decorated or anything. But again, same thing. And this one is comparatively very stiff. So this one is made for heavy abuse. Alright, so I'm gonna do some hard training with this one. I could probably like gut with this quite powerfully as well. I'm gonna take this one with me, definitely. Gosh. Yeah, that's a nice twirl here as well. I didn't even know that. Can you see that? That's very pretty. I'm fucking sweating. Oh my god. And all of this, to think that after all of this, I got all these swords because I was looking for a new arming sword. Did I get a new arming sword? No. I'm also sick, by the way, but that's fine. The flu never killed anyone. So yeah, I'm actually I'm glad that they arrived in time. I'm very happy with all these, and you'll probably see more of them in the future. So if you stuck around this long, you might as well subscribe. Also follow me on social media. Links are in the description below. And thank you for joining my quest, and I hope you'll join me in the next one. Bye, guys. Look at this. This side sword is approximately the length that my rapier was. Well, the rapier's a bit longer, but yeah, compared to the other rapier, where is it? Here. This is huge. It's hella long. Is it even in screen? I don't know. Oh, just barely. Wow. That's fantastic. Ding. It's longer than my fader. If I like align the guards, I mean. In total, it's just about as long as my fader. Just a tad bit shorter. And it's a tad bit longer than my new longsword. Awesome.